Hello everyone, I'm Shubham and welcome to our series Pythonic Shield. Here we're going to learn how to develop a website security analyzer. In today's world, where everything is digital and website security has become a crucial aspect of online presence. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of website security and how we can develop a website security analyzer using Python. Our aim is to provide you with an insight into the process of developing security analyzer and its benefit. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of website security and how it can be improved using Python. Also, I'll give you a demo of this website security analyzer and what are the features of it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first point is that why website security is important. Website security is a crucial because it protects your website from cyber attack. And basically, what will cyber attack do? Cyber attack can cause data breaches, loss of customer trust, financial losses. Cyber criminals can exploit vulnerabilities in your website to steal sensitive information such as credit card details, personal data. In recent years, there have been several high-profile cases of data breaches that have resulted in millions of dollars in losses for businesses. For example, in 2017, Equifax, a credit reporting agency, suffered a data breach that exposed the personal information of over 143 million people. This incident highlights the importance of website security and the need to take proactive measures to protect websites. And our website security analyzer is one step towards it. Okay, now let's go towards the features that we have in website security analyzer. Okay, so basically, we're going to develop a vulnerability scanning, and it involves finding the vulnerabilities that are there in the website. Second thing, it will have a bad script detection. It's going to detect if the website have scripts that are vulnerable to the attacks. Third thing, phishing detection. Okay, so the software is going to scan the website and it's going to detect if the website has any form that is used for phishing or the page that looks like a website like Facebook or Instagram and it's getting used for phishing. The fourth thing is secure password detection. If the website is transporting the password to the third party, or even if it is transporting to some API, is it encrypting it or not? We are going to detect that. Fifth thing, we're going to detect if any of the technologies used in the website has any insecurities. Okay, so we're going to detect if they have any malwares. The sixth thing, we're going to check if SSL certificate is valid or not. If the SSL certificate is not valid, that means all the data transferred to the server is basically unencrypted and it's at risk. These are the basic functionality, but we're also going to look at finding XSS vulnerability. I'll going to discuss in details what is XSS and what is SQL injection and how we're going to prevent it and how we are going to detect it using our software. Now we're going to discuss about the technical aspect of it. So we're going to use a Python and why we are going to use a Python because it has a large community and offers a wide range of libraries and tools for website development. And also, yeah, we are going to use a Django framework for it. The development process involves several steps, including identifying potential vulnerabilities, creating test cases, and developing the actual tool. Now, let's take a look at a live demo of Website Security Analyzer developed using Python. In this demo, we will walk you through process of using Analyzer, highlight its key features. Okay, so here I have a security analyzer in my browser. Basically, this UI is built in the React and backend is completely in Python and Django. First, we'll scan a website for vulnerabilities and show you how the analyzer identifies the vulnerabilities and if the website is safe or not. Okay, so let's scan the generic.com. Okay, so now as the scan is completed, it detected that it is 0% vulnerable and completely safe website. Okay, so it checked if the URL has any suspicious things, if the URL has @, if it has multiple HTTP Unicode. Also, it checked if the website is phishing website or not. So the probability of phishing is zero. That means the website is safe. Also, it checked if the domain is fake, if SSL is valid, what is the location of the domain, it's India. If it is newborn domain, it's not newborn because we purchased it way back. If there is abuse record, if there is any phishing record. There is only one phishing record. I'm not sure why it is there, but yes. After that, if there is mail server present for this domain, it is present. If the SPF record is there, site reputation. Currently, there is no record for site record reputation, so that's why it's showing null. After that, if the HTML content of the website has anything that is suspicious, for example, if there are hidden elements, if there are hidden iframes, but there is nothing, it's obfuscated because we use the minified version of scripts in our website so that it will load faster. After that, if there is any suspicious HTML element, there is no suspicious HTML element. If there is any suspicious program, no suspicious program. Button trap, normal button click is there. There is no any trap for button. Credential input is safe. Form events are safe. Favicon is basically this icon. Okay, so this is dangerous. Loading the favicon from the CDN, and also we are not using a standard size favicon. That's why it's dangerous. So we need to fix it so that it should not show it as a dangerous. After that, yes, it shows when the domain is created, who is the registrar of the domain, what is the title of the website. After that, all the IP addresses present in the website will just map it and show where it goes. If you check it, it has lots of IP addresses. After that, it also tell you what technologies the website is using. So basically, the website is built in the WordPress, so that's what it's showing. Also, the server is Lightspeed server, MySQL is there. So all this technology, all this information it shows us. Okay. After that, it also tells us what the version is, programming language is what, and we can detect if it is vulnerable or not. After that, all the subdomains connected to the website it shows. So this is the basic version of website security analyzer, and here we're going to add a multiple vulnerability checks. For example, access detection, SQL injection detection to identify using this scanner. Okay, so we're going to add this functionality as the series progresses. Okay, so in conclusion, website security is crucial in today's digital world, and a website security analyzer developed using Python can help us to improve website security by identifying potential vulnerabilities, providing recommendation, and improving security. A website security analyzer can prevent breaches and protect customer trust. So we hope that this video has provided you with better understanding of website security analyzer development using Python. We encourage you to take a proactive measure to secure your own website, protect your customer sensitive information. And so that's it for the video. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Keep watching, keep coding.